Kaldo na naman, groundbreaking ng Paxilica sa Clark City, Tarlac. Ito ay may kabuuan 4,000 acres or 1,618 hectares. Ito ay bigay lang ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas sa Amerika. Sa kabila ng lahat, ipinakita ng Pilipinas ang hospitality. Ito naman ang balik ni Trump sa Pilipinas. US announced new 12.5% tariff on Philippine export.
Mental hazard, kakalkalin yung buong Nako, ang daming nagtatanong tungkol dyan sa Paxilica. Pax nga ba talaga? O pox? As in chicken pox, smallpox, at lahat ng sakit. Sakit sa ulo. Nung una, ang sabi, North Luzon Corridor. Mag-i-invest daw ng bilyon-bilyon yung mga Amerikano. Tuwan-tuwa naman tayo kasi kahit papano magkakaroon ng manufacturing, maraming trabaho, datong para sa Pilipinas. Abay, nagbago na. Ngayon, Paxilica o pox nga ba? Dahil, ang sabi nila, napakarami daw na inaasahan ng mga rare earth na kinakailangan sa automotive, sa computer, sa mobile, lahat yun nangangailangan ng mga rare earth panggawa ng mga magnet at iba pa. Yung rare earth, hawak lahat ng China. Ngayon, nanganganib ang US at wala silang rare earth. Guess what? Ang Pilipinas, ang dami-dami pala natin rare earth, byproduct ng nickel, ng copper, ng kung ano-ano. Kaso, ang dumi-dumi pala nun, environmental hazard, kakalkalin yung buong bundok. Isa pa, para salain, kinakailangan pala ng toneladang tubig, galong-galon.
Pero may babala ang Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DENR sa publiko dahil sa water bankruptcy na kinahaharap ng bansa. Ito ay unti-unting pagkatuyo ng water basin sa bansa.
It is a warning light on our national dashboard, signaling a threat to our barangays and our collective security. We are currently facing what we call water bankruptcy.
Mauubos ang Pantabangan, Angat, Magat, lahat-lahat, talaga uubusin. Paano na lang yung ating mga magsasaka na ngayon pa lang, sabi nga, umuulan na lamang kapag may bagyo. Higit sa lahat, ang laki ng problema kasi uubusin din lahat ng elektrisidad unless makaproduce tayo ng bagong kuryente. Saan kaya manggagaling yun? Isipin mo buong Central Luzon kasi doon daw sa New Clark City. Kaya napapaisip ako, Paxilica ba o Poxilica yan?
There are two laws that will govern the transaction here. The Investors List Act and then the BCDA law, which was confirmed by the Department of Justice. So it will be treated as a regular business development contract. No special arrangement to be accorded to the U.S. government.
So as the agreement that we signed makes clear, we now have a 2-year window where we're going to negotiate terms. At the end of the day, we both share the goal of ensuring investor protections. And so now we're going to begin negotiations and having a discussion about the best way to advance investor protections in the hub. Investors who are going to spend billions of dollars to build out very expensive capex need to make sure that those investments need to outlive administrations in both of our countries, and there needs to be an element of durability and certainty. And so that's where, our focus is really going to be on predictability, certainty, speed, and scale.